आप जोर करें, बोलो हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे। First of all, I pay my humble obeisances to my Guru Maharaj, Nitla Vishnu Om Vishnupad Stotashad, Shri Srimad Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, and equal dandat pranams to my Shiksha Gurudevs, Nitla Vishnu Om Vishnupad Bhakti Vedant Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitla Vishnu Bhakti Vedant Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Nitla Vishnu Bhakti Vedant Trikram Goswami Maharaj, and Nitla Vishnu Bhakti Vigyan Srila Bharti Goswami Maharaj. My dandat pranams to all sannyasis, to all the brahmacharis, Vaishnav and Vaishnavis present on this very auspicious occasion. We just heard so many glories of Param Gurudev and his established Sri Devanand Gaudiya Math. What is the intent of Param Gurudev? Shri Param Gurudev, Shri Srimad Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he fulfilled the innermost desire of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. Today, all the Gaudiya Maths and all the Gaudiya establishments performing Shri Navdeep Dham Parikrama without any obstacles is only because of the great contribution and sacrifice of our Shri Param Gurudev, Shri Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. This Navdeep Dham Parikrama was initiated by Shri Nityam Prabhu while taking Jeev Goswami to all the holy places and describing to him the glories of Shri Navdeep Dham and the places of pastime of Shri Mahaprabhu. But this Navdeep Dham Parikrama was started by Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, and Param Gurudev boldly he preached and he protected Shri Mayapur Dham, which is the birthplace of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It was established by Shri Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. But there were some people, so-called Vaishnavas, who was living in Navdeep Dham, and they were claiming that Navdeep Dham is the birthplace of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which is totally wrong. And even to this day, many people believe this. So Param Gurudev, so question can arise, while all the God brothers of Param Gurudev, they established the Gaudiya Maths in Mayapur Dham, why Param Gurudev came here specifically in Navdeep Dham to establish Shri Devanand Gaudiya Math? He could have gone in Mayapur also, he could have established there. But he always served the inner heart desire of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, strongly, boldly, like very, very strong, preaching, and he came to in Navdeep Dham, in the middle of those who are against the ideals of Mahaprabhu, those who are against the ideals of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur and against the ideals of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. Param Gurudev fearlessly he came and situated here to preach and to defute the arguments from the Shastras, from the Vedanta, from the Vedas and Upanishad to prove that the birthplace of Shri Mahaprabhu is Shri Mayapur Dham. So much prominent and prevailing in Navdeep Dham. Param Gurudev was refuting everyone. But not only that, he also established the principle of Gaudiya Vaishnavism. The for same reason which Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. Jadi Gauranga na haito, tabe ki haito, keman dharita de, Radhara Mahima, Prema Rasasima, Jagato Janato ke. If Mahaprabhu would have not come, how the glories of Shri Radharani would have spread it all over the world. Shri Mahaprabhu, Shri Krishna himself, assumed taking the complexion and the mood of Shri Radharani, he came and preached the glories of Shri Radharani. The mood of Shri Mahaprabhu was established by Shri Rupa Goswami and which was propagated and expressed by Shri Narottam Thakur. And so, the most famous song of Shri Narottam Thakur, which became the crest jewel on the crown of all the Gaudiya Vaishnava, is Shri Rupa Manjari Pada, Sei Mora Sampada, Sei Mora Bhajana Pujan. The significance of this bhajan is the prominence of Asya Vigraha over Vishya Vigraha. the prominence of Shri Radharani over Krishna. This is the mood of Shri Rup Raghunath, the Goswamis, which got expressed by simply with the song of Shri Narottam Thakur. And taking that mood of Shri Narottam Thakur, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur also expressed this in his bhajan. Shri Krishna Virahe Radhika Dasha Amito Sahite Nari. I cannot bear that my Radharani, my Swamini Radharani, is feeling separation from Krishna. I can't bear this. I can't even hear this. That mood of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur was taken by Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada so seriously that not only in English we say action speaks better than words, but in the ideals of Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur and Param Gurudev, actions and words both are same. They both are same. There is no difference. Words are also same. Actions is also there. And that action is, once upon a time when Srila Prabhupada was hearing Srimad Bhagavad Katha from one of the speaker, he was describing the 10th canto of Bhagavatam, where Shri Shukdev Goswami, he expressed how Radharani felt separation from Krishna. Sacha mene taratpanam varishtam sarvayoshitam hit gopi kaman aso bhajate priya tattva gaptam vanam desham dhript kesham abrvit na pareham chalitum naima yatra tiya evam uktam priyam ahaskand uraiteti tatacha antarday Krishna savadu anvataptai. Shukdev Goswami is saying that Radharani, she felt separation from Krishna, and therefore she started weeping and crying, Hanath Raman Krishna. So that mood, when Prabhupada heard this, immediately he stopped that speaker, and instead he took the words from Geet Govinda, where Krishna is feeling separation from Radharani. The Jayadev Goswami describing, Itas tatan usritya anangaman khin manasa Kritanu tapa sakalandinam tatantu kunje vishad madhava. When Radharani disappeared from Ras Leela, then Madhava means Krishna felt separation from Radharani and calling out Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. He lost his sham complexion, blackish complexion, and he turned to golden complexion. The same mood of Narottam Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Srila Param Gurudev embraced that mood, and the action and the words he expressed when he established his beautiful deities, Shri Mahaprabhu and Radha Vinod Bihari, where we see Krishna is white complexion, means golden complexion, with the same mood that Krishna who is feeling separation from Radharani and calling out Radhe, 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 Krishna lost his black complexion and turns to golden complexion. So this Guru Parampara proves the prominence of Asya Vigraha over Vishya Vigraha. We are very blessed today because Srila Gurudev, Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he used to bring us here, and under his guidance and under his shelter, under his wings, we are here at the place of Shri Param Gurudev to seek his blessings before we commence our Navadvip Dham Parikrama. So we pray to Shri Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Shri Param Gurudev and all their associates, please bless all of us so we can do our Navadvip Dham Parikrama so sincerely and take the best advantage of this. Gaur Premanande, Shri Navadvip Dham Parikrama ki